What's going on YouTube? So it's Martin
and Christina
from Thrift Store Gold. So today we're doing a Thrifting for Gold episode. I know it's been a while since we did one because we were trying to get our whole dead stock pile up, but we really just can't. So we're gonna go thrifting. It's Saturday, Goodwill's right there if you guys can see it. We have dollar tag day on Saturdays where all the color tags go for $1. So we're gonna go sourcing for some clothes. So stay tuned, guys. Okay, so now that you guys are back from that intro, her name is Christina, my name is Martin. We're a reselling couple. We go thrifting all the time, so definitely check out more of my videos. I'm pretty sure this is like Thrifting for Gold 17 or maybe 18. So we're getting up there, and we're gonna be going in right now, looking for about, we really only look for about 10 items at most, just because, I mean, everything's $1. So if you can get 10 things, that would last us for pretty much the week, because we only source the one day on Saturday. So I know there's more to be sourced, but that's what we do because we have so much on our plate as well. So I'm just looking right now. I can't see what dollar tag it is, so we'll be going in there and we'll be showing you guys what we're looking for.
Stay tuned.
Okay, so we're just headed in now. Gonna go look for some gold, right?
Yes. It's so bright outside.
So I'm gonna start the montage right now. So I want to cut into this montage really quick. I found this jacket. I'm not going to buy it just because they want too much for it, but it's actually a Matrix jacket. I don't know if you guys know that brand, but it's like a kind of like a skateboarding slash snowboarding brand. Oh, and this butt zipper is kind of shot, but definitely be on the lookout for this brand. Again, it's Matrix, whatever you want to call it. It's got that little, here's their brand. It's like that little bird thing, you can't really tell. I'll put a big symbol of it right here on the screen. So definitely be on the lookout for that. That's a quick bolo. Christina's over there looking, and let's get back to the montage. Okay, so we just got out of there.
Spent 12 bucks.
12 bucks, a big bag of clothes.
And Girl Scout cookies.
Yeah, we got some Girl Scout cookies. So we're gonna go home, break down the haul to you, tell you why we got these things, show you what we got, and yeah, pretty excited with it. We got a big bag, definitely will last us the week of listing.
Yes.
Okay guys, so we're home now. We got our bag right here. Big bag, like I said, we spent about $13, so that wasn't actually, we spent a little more because we bought a couple things for ourselves, so we only spent really about like $9, I think, maybe $8. We'll have to count how many items we got, because like we said, they were all for $1. So this was actually the first thing I found, which we pretty much always pick up Mickey stuff when we find it, so we can line it together or we can just list it as is. I mean, this is a Heinz hoodie, so there's really nothing to it, but it's the COD Disney. And then the back, it's got that. So not bad, kind of cool. 2014 Epcot World Showcase. And then this was something I found. So they must have had, like I was telling Christina, but there was these two skateboarding brands that I found that I don't know if you guys know about. This one is called 4-Star. So it's called 4-Star, and then it's got like the logo is like a 4 with a star. So it's literally just 4-Star. But so this is the I guess it's just like a pullover, yeah, pullover, like long sleeve with a hood. But it's got the vinyl. But a lot of skateboarders, they look for clothes online because like I was a skateboarder myself. So every skateboarding brand that we have bought most likely has sold, or it's got a lot of watchers on it, so definitely be on the lookout for 4-Star. This was the other skateboarding brand hoodie that I found. So this one It says Cutters, and then on the back it says it backwards, but that looks normal to us right now. But so it says Cutters, and then this is actually the skateboarding brand. It's called Crooked. So
you could totally tell it was a skater too by the way they tied the
yeah,
the
this is a
strings.
skater thing, is tying the strings.
Martin used to do that.
Yeah, I used to tie my strings all the time. So this is Crooked. I'll have the what's it called right there because it's a very weird brand. The 1K is like backwards and all that, so you guys can really see. But then the shoulder just has like this wheel or something on it. So, but this hoodie will definitely go for at least $15 plus shipping. I haven't even looked at the prices on that, but I'm confident. This was a cool shirt that Christina found. Pretty much anything Nike will sell. So this was just a Nike.
I think it was a bigger size too.
Yeah, it was an extra large. So it's got the newer vinyl tag, but still $1. Still a nice shirt. Someone would buy that. If not, I would even wear that. And then she also found another Nike shirt. So this one is like one of those stretch dry fit shirts. So like a Nike Pro. You can see me. But yeah, this is a really nice shirt. It's got the stitching on the back and everything.
And there's no tears, which these shirts are like notorious for getting those little like lines.
Yeah.
Through them, you know?
So a little snag or something.
Snag.
Super nice that there's nothing. And then this was the last thing that we found. Christina found a nice embroidered Columbia shirt.
It's like a I don't know if it's vintage, but it's old.
Oh yeah, that is an old tag.
I know. I looked at it and I was like, alright.
Let me look. No, it just says I have to wash it in. Yeah, not bad. I don't even, do they even have a size on it?
Uh-oh. Gonna have to use my measurement tip.
Yeah, no size, so gonna have to use her measurement hack. So if you guys don't know about that, check out our one vlog with it in. But yeah, this is that was our haul. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we only spent $6 and we got all of that.
So we spent $7 on ourselves.
Yeah, so we spent more on ourselves. But that's for a later video. So you guys will probably don't already know about that. I don't know. I'm getting too ahead of myself. So that was our haul, guys. We spent about $6 on all these clothes. So thank you guys for watching. We hope you enjoyed. Make sure to smash that like button if you got any knowledge from this video. Leave a comment if you got any questions or you just want to share some love. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe because we got daily content coming all the time. We post a lot of vlogs, a lot of how-tos, a lot of thrifting.
Yes.
So stay tuned, guys. This is Christina. I'm Martin from Thrift Store Gold. Peace.